5 tips and tricks to learn programming faster. One of the common and basic questions among students or someone who wants to learn coding is, how can I learn to code fast and make a career as a programmer? Whether you are a student, fresher, or experienced person trying to switch your job in programming, you will definitely try to find tips and tricks to learn to program quickly and effectively. We will discuss some tips to learn programming effectively and faster. 1. Make your fundamentals clear. A common error made by beginners or students studying programming is bypassing the foundational material or chapter 1 and going immediately to the next one. You must be very clear on the basics of programming in order to comprehend the more complex concepts. 2. Learn by doing, practicing, and not just reading. A common mistake that beginners make when learning to code is simply reading a book or looking at sample code on their desktop without practicing. It's simple to read about loops and variables and memorize them, but actual programming does not work in this manner. You must get your hands dirty in coding and practice it on a regular basis. 3. Code by hand. When you start programming as a beginner, you will be thinking, why should I code by hand? It's a time-consuming process. I can't run and check my code on paper. And also, if I actually need to implement something on my system, then why should I use pen and paper? One of the biggest reasons is the interviews. 4. Share, teach, discuss, and ask for help. One of the best ways to understand programming easily and quickly is by teaching. Teaching someone, sharing your knowledge, and doing discussions with other programmers will make you a better programmer quickly. 5. Use online resources. There are plenty of online resources available, paid or unpaid. You can take help from these online resources and start your programming journey. You can subscribe to YouTube channels like the Update Skills 1 or try coding boot camps to learn to program quickly and effectively.